When I make pasta like this, there's nothing left. Start by boiling a pot of water. Add 200 grams of pasta, a pinch of salt and cook for 4 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, remove 50 milliliters of the cooking water and set aside. Now take a chopping board and cut an onion into small pieces. It's time to flavor our recipe. Heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Add the onion and let it brown, releasing an incredible aroma. When the onion is golden, add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Fry until the garlic is also golden and fragrant. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and let it fry. This will give our sauce a vibrant color and a deep flavor. Now add a tablespoon of sugar, salt to taste and mix everything together. Add black pepper and paprika to taste. Mix well and add 50 milliliters of the pasta cooking water. Leave to cook for 2 minutes to refine the flavor. Time to make the sauce even creamier. Add 50 milliliters of milk, 60 milliliters of cream and 2 tablespoons of butter. Cook for a minute and smell the wonderful aroma. Now add 150 grams of mozzarella cheese and let it melt. The cheese will create an irresistible, creamy texture. When the sauce is ready, add the cooked pasta and mix everything together gently. Complete with chives to taste for a fresh and tasty finishing touch. And there you have it. Our penne pasta in red sauce is ready to be devoured. Your mouth is watering, right? If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page for more delights like this. Enjoy and see you next time.